Hi, my name is Eugene Delgaudio, president of Public Advocate. As the big tech cartel is censoring many conservatives across multiple platforms, particularly Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, I have decided to create a series of how-to videos explaining to you, my fellow Americans, the deep secrets of how to not get silenced. Public Advocate is likewise being censored on these big tech cartel platforms, and we will stay where we can at this time. And that is why we also have moved to a lot of new, more conservative platforms that you might have heard about, such as MEWE, Telegram, USA Life, Gab, BitChute, and Rumble. We would love if you would join us on these more conservative platforms today. I will go through how to find us on each of these platforms in a series of videos. There are 5 ways to do this easily. Number 1, you can find links to all the platforms we are on our website by typing onto the search bar on your browser publicadvocateusa.org. That's publicadvocateusa.org. Scroll to the bottom of our homepage and click on the links there at the bottom to our social platforms. Number 2, click the link I put in the description down below. Number 3, contact us by email or phone and we will gladly help you find us. Email us at publicadvocateusa.org @gmail.com or call us at 703-845-1808. Number 4, follow these simple instructions I am about to show you. And number 5, you can just loop this video to replay these instructions. God bless you. Today, I will show you how to follow us on MEWE. MEWE is a great alternative to Facebook and a very user-friendly platform. First, open your browser and type in MEWE.com. That's MEWE.com. You will need to have an account or create an account to find us on MEWE. So if you're already a member, log in and then in the search bar, type in Public Advocate right here. You will see Public Advocate as a member. Please follow here and our organization page right here. Click the View page here and follow our page as well for daily updates. We're on top of things. We're on duty all the time here in Washington. After that, find another group by searching by topic or personality, like Donald Trump or, fighting taxes or Tea Party. Join them too, just like you've joined us.